Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical hazards. Safety is paramount when working on your car. Once prepared, open the hood and locate the specific headlight assembly you need to service. Now, let's access the bulb. You will need to remove the two 10mm bolts located on top of the headlight assembly. After removing these bolts, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action creates enough space to comfortably reach the back of the bulb. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it straight off. This step ensures no power reaches the bulb during replacement. With the electrical connector removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently rotate the old bulb's base counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 turn. Once loosened, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the plastic base and insert it into the housing, aligning the tabs. After inserting the new bulb, rotate it clockwise by about 1/4 turn until it feels secure in its housing. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Before fully reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position and reinsert the two 10mm bolts to secure it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.